What's up everyone? Today it's another interesting video about computers. So this is a fingerprint reader, okay, in the USB form. You've seen these on your phone, you've seen them on your tablet, you've seen them on even door locks, and you've of course probably seen them on laptops. But have you ever thought, I own a desktop, I'd like to sign in with my fingerprint? You just get one of these. So today I'm going to show you how to set one of these up and you can sign in with your fingerprint. So first step obviously is to obtain one of these, and now you're going to plug it in to a USB port. There's my computer. I'm going to plug it in right here. Great. Now I'll start screen recording and I'll show you the rest of it. Right. I couldn't do the screen recording because Windows won't let me record this. So I'm going to just record it using my camera, like this. So you'll want to go here to your settings, go to accounts, and click on sign in options, or just search it up on Windows search. So now it will give you an option for Windows Hello Fingerprint. This fingerprint sensor I picked is compatible with Windows Hello. So let's do this. You hit setup, it'll give you this prompt. You can do all this, whatever it says here. You click get started, enter your PIN, and touch the fingerprint sensor. So you'll be seeing that in just a second. But here is what it'll look like on the screen. That's me tapping and releasing my finger from the scanner. I'm all set. But for some reason, sometimes when you use the same area of your finger too much, like let's say the middle, it'll ask you to use different angles of your finger so that you can just tap the sensor in any way with your finger, and it'll unlock, so it doesn't give you as many errors. So that's just one finger that I set up. You can actually have 10, I believe, on this one. So now I'll show you what it looks like when I'm tapping the sensor. Right, I don't know if you guys can see that clearly, but there's the fingerprint reader. I'm holding my camera with my hands, so it might be a bit shaky. So all you need to do is this. Lift and touch the fingerprint scanner like that. And now I'll show you what should be happening on the screen. In just a second. Hang on, let me finish this. Now it says, oh right, this message. Now try another angle, because I kept using the middle of my finger. They want me to use the side, the tip, the other side, and the bottom. So let's do that. Now try another angle. Right, it says all set on the screen, just like that. But here is what you should be seeing when you set it up. Here's what you should be seeing on the screen when you set it up. Alright, by now I've already set up 4 of my 5 fingers on one hand. I'm not going to be doing the other one, my left hand, because my PC's on the right side of me, on my right side. So I'll just show you the process for setting up an additional finger. So, same process. Go to the settings, go to accounts, click on sign in options, click on Windows Hello Fingerprint, click add another, click get started, enter your PIN, and touch the fingerprint sensor. Like I'm going to be doing right now. You'll see it on the screen. It occasionally asks you to use different angles if you keep tapping it with the same place for your finger. But it didn't ask me this time. But if it does, just just click continue or something like that. You would have seen it. So there you go. That is how you set it up. It takes under 1 minute. Well, just about 1 minute because I'm filming. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it kind of helpful. It will increase the speed at which you sign into your computer. And also it's pretty cool. A pretty cool technology to have on a computer. So that's it for this video. Like I said, hope you found it helpful. Please consider subscribing and hitting the like button if it was helpful. But anyway, enough rambling. I'll see you next time.